The final match of the veteran football tournament, organized as part of the 75th anniversary celebrations of Pohkseh village, concluded on December 12 at the Pohkseh playground. The match saw Pohkseh East emerge victorious against Pohkseh Central in a thrilling tie-breaker. The closely contested game ended in a 2-2 draw during regular time, leading to a penalty shootout where Pohkseh East triumphed with a 5-4 scoreline. The event was graced by the presence of KHADC Chief Executive Member Pinyat Singh's aim, village council leaders, headman Kidbok Paul's aim, and Secretary Pidalis Karkongor, along with elders and special invitees. In his address, the CEM emphasized that age should never be a barrier to showcasing one's talent. He highlighted the role of such tournaments in inspiring the younger generation to pursue football and other sports, thereby fostering the overall development of Pohkseh. The prize distribution ceremony for the tournament will be held during the closing event of Pohkseh's 75th anniversary celebrations scheduled for January 2025.
Habide kadi kajing rakhi dap nyup sansnam junction of Pohkseh. Kajing nak kai final jong ke veteran kalong ke ba internet kabalong ke ba don kajing ile but aso ba kadi kajing nak kai jong ni ki artli ki team ni ki dong ke Pohkseh East but Pohkseh Central ka kanlong ke nuksa ikini ki heb berit bagi nong shong bar karta kanam dai ban khanglat ya ka mensim ya lek kai ka pipi dan bar kani kan penshur shushu ya ki heb ki berit ki khun samla jong shnom Pohkseh ki bedan sap ha ka football bakan ya mi shakman kemadan ke ba biang ke ba bet ku ma dorba shnong kala bar ke sports club kala penbet penbiang kala penkre bat nget scam baling ba kani kemadan kin mi shibun ki klori lek kai da Pohkseh ki batbet ki ban pau ha ka state level ka national level bat ki wiki rinsan tengah ai ka jingkit bok kerwiang kerku kerdo se ki wiki program baka dorba shnong ka penbet nam ta ka ni ka jing rakhi nyupusan snam kin long ki job but ka ban long ka jikmen ya ka shnong Pohkseh hi bar kawai bat kum juru ka ni ka jing rakhi dap nyupusan snam kan sa kan mau ha ka thup history jong ka jingat nanti jong ka dorbar shnong Pohkseh hakik snam ki pol badangwan tangkini kentin kublai shibun kublai syajango ipi baro